Good morning, everyone. I wanted to say good morning because I just woke up and I wanted to show you kind of a real morning routine. So it's going to be very informal, bad lighting. I feel like I don't see a lot of these anymore on YouTube, but I just think it's important to show our real lives. So I have already brushed my teeth and went to the bathroom. So I'm going to just show you what I do for skincare. I don't know, sorry about the lighting. I'm tired. Yes, I'm in the same clothes as I was in my last YouTube video. I just threw them back on because I didn't work out yesterday in them, but I'm gonna get on the bike with this. So I already do so much laundry for running. It's crazy. So I already brushed my teeth. I use the Sensodyne toothpaste. And now I'm going to wash my face. Morning and night, this is the same. This is the anti-aging cleanser from Origins. Anyways, gonna wash my face with this. Just a little bit of this goes such a long way. It's insane. I love it. I don't know if it's working because will we know that we're anti-aging until we're old? You tell me. Realized too that I have to use a clean towel or else I break out. So I'm glad I realized that. Just more laundry. So next I'm gonna go with the micellar water on a cotton swab. I apologize, my forehead is cut off. I need a tripod. Then I'm gonna use the Plantscription SPF 25 anti-aging day cream. I use the night one at night. And I just gently rub that in. I like that it has SPF because sometimes I don't wear makeup and my foundation has SPF in it too. So when I don't wear makeup, my face is protected. Even though it's cloudy, it's still gonna get ya. And last step, I use this Rose Petals Rose Water. It's from Heritage Store. Just to liven up the face a little bit. So that is my morning skincare routine. Very simple. Sometimes I don't even wash my face because I get in the shower after my workout anyways. So, oh, and I put my wedding ring back on. We gotta have that. I don't know if you guys have seen it. Let's see if I can get it in frame. Can I get it in frame? There we go. That's my ring. So I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail because we're going to go out on the bike for about 45 minutes. But first we're going to get David's stuff ready for work. Yes, I have pit stains. It's from running. Natural thing. I don't know why they won't come out and it's really gross, but I'm not worried about it. Oh, hello dark. We're going to get socks. Again, sorry about the lighting. Very orange. I'm gonna get just some regular socks and because we're getting into some spin shoes. But before we do that, I like to make the bed. Are you just waking up? Are you just waking up? Hello, good morning. I have to make the bed. Is that okay? Is that okay? I love you. We're gonna go into the garage and cycle for a little bit. I'm gonna open up all the windows. Dang, it's so dark in my house. You never realize it until you turn on the camera. I'm gonna open. And then I like to keep these ones closed because our neighbors are right there. But yeah, so let's get some water. I'm getting distracted. We could turn this light on. Ooh, light. It's 45 minutes on the bike. Wednesday mornings I don't run because I run in the evening at speed workout. So that's why we're going in the garage to spin. I don't know where my phone went. Okay, see, you guys are distracting me. I have no idea where any of my stuff is. Is it in here? Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna find my phone and I will be back. Found my phone, found my water bottle. We're heading into the garage. So now we're gonna get on the bike for about 45 minutes and it is like pouring outside. You can't really see, but that's why we have an indoor trainer. Super nice. I'm gonna throw on my shoes. So I have these nice handy dandy clip-in spin shoes I'm gonna wear. And this is all preparation for the Ironman training, but because I need to cross train too, that's why I'm doing this. And then I'll do abs after and be done until tonight. So we're gonna get on the bike. So I'm gonna put my bottle in the cage here. Oh, are you gonna squirt out? All right, cool. And I have my iPad. I like to put a stool next to me so I can grab what I need so I can get on the bike because these are clip-ins. This is an old Trek bike. So, oh, is it the other way? This is an older Trek bike. So I'm still trying to get all the niggles out as we go, but it seems to be working so far. Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop on here and let you know that I have 10 more minutes. So we're gonna get it in. And I have a squealing going on. And we're gonna figure out what it is. I think it's just the, gear. So, here we go. Alrighty, 45 minutes on the bike, done, super sweaty, going to make breakfast now, but I'm gonna take off my shoes and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, yes, it started again. Before we get breakfast going, we're actually going to do some abs and stretch out a little bit. So I start off with a 5-minute timer and then I stretch for about 5 minutes and then that calls it good for me. Because like I said, I run about 50 to 60 miles a week, so I don't like overdoing it. Here we go. So, woo. It's awesome. I love getting a good workout in the morning. And it's nice to switch it up from running to spinning. And I try to do that twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. I think I'm going to make some oatmeal and I'll show you what I put in it. I feel like I'm just like lightheaded. I'm so hungry. I apologize again for the lighting. It's just an ongoing situation. But this is every day. I don't switch up the lighting for anything. Okay. I'm gonna put this back on because I get cold. Ooh. And I like to eat before I shower. I know I should probably shower then eat, but I'm starving. So, gonna get a bowl. Got my oatmeal. So my camera, the card's full and I'm really hungry. So I just wanna show you what I'm eating. I usually do a third a cup, but I'm so hungry that I'm going to do a half a cup, which is the recommended serving size for this oatmeal. So I'm going to do a half a cup of oats today. So just half of that. I put a little bit of blueberry lavender, and you can see my side. So I put a little bit of this blueberry lavender almond beverage with my oatmeal. It's on top. And then I put some hemp seeds in there, and I put a little bit of honey and a little bit of brown sugar because, you know, can't have enough of that. And then I take a core shot. These are amazing. They're from Malibu. So oatmeal's done. I know my microwave is dirty. So we have the oatmeal here. Take a spoon. I'm gonna take a scoop of hemp seeds. It's about a tablespoon. A scoop of brown sugar. So this actually has coconut sugar and brown sugar in it. So there's that. A little bit of honey. Come on, honey. And then on top, we're going to add a little bit of blueberry almond milk, the lavender, like so. So that's what it looks like, and I'm going to mix it up. I sometimes put a banana, and I still might actually. I think that would be yummy, but I'm gonna mix this up and then I'll add the banana. All right, so this is what it looks like with the banana, and we're gonna take our juice and come sit and enjoy breakfast. I also make an espresso, which I'll make after this, but I wanted to take this shot and just eat because, like I said, I'm starving right now. So I'm cold, I'm just tired. Here we go. Woo! Ooh, that one's strong. The ginger. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna eat and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay, so the water is ready. I picked this mug out of my mug collection. This one's a set. The other one says, I stole her heart, so I stole his last name. So these are really, really cute. And this one says Mrs. on this side. We have a bunch of wedding mugs just because that's really all we received for wedding, like engagement gifts. But I love them. They're so pretty. This is actually one of my favorites, but it's a Christmas mug, but I still use it. I don't really care. Anyways, let's put this under here and let's do it. All right, so now that that is brewed, I turn it over to the frother and I keep that under there. I have been loving the almond creamer. This isn't the best one for you. There's a lot of sugar in it, but I don't use that much. This is like really all I use, and I don't even use all of this. It all froths, and then I make it on top of my espresso. Is my frothy, delicious espresso. So I'm gonna continue to film on my phone for the rest of this, but right now I'm going to enjoy my espresso, and this is my desk situation, and I'm going to get some work done and then get in the shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair because I have speed workouts tonight, but yeah.